Haryana is witnessing a tremendous ruckus after communal clashes broke out in the state. Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij alleged that around 3,000 to 4,000 people were held hostage in a temple by Muslim rioters in Nuh on Monday. But now a starkly contradictory statement was made by the priest of the same temple. According to a report by the news outlet The Wire, the priest refuted the claims made by Vij. The Wire reported that Deepak Sharma, who is the priest of the Nalhar Mahadev temple, said that devotees in the temple kept coming and going out. Sharma pointed out that the flow of pilgrims in the temple is generally high in the month of Sawan, which is considered holy for Lord Shiva devotees. The priest said that because of the Shobha Yatra on Monday, the number of devotees was very high. He clarified that they kept coming in and going out after offering their prayers during the Shobha Yatra. The Wire quoted the priest as saying, "How is it possible to keep these people hostage? They were in the shelter of the Almighty. But suddenly they got to know that the situation outside is not good. Since the situation outside became bad, people got trapped inside." In the meantime, supporters of Vishwa Hindu Parishad or VHP and Bajrang Dal held protests in Delhi over the communal violence in Haryana. The Supreme Court has asked authorities to ensure tight security and CCTV surveillance of the protests to prevent any escalation. The court has said that steps should be taken to ensure no violence and hate speeches during these protests. It has also directed authorities to put adequate force, including personnel from paramilitary forces, on the ground. Supporters of VHP and Bajrang Dal held protests at nearly 30 locations across the national capital over the violence in neighbouring Haryana that has claimed 6 lives and caused huge losses to property. The protesters are demanding a probe by National Investigation Agency into the incidents of violence. The rioting in Haryana was sparked on Monday by a religious procession taken out by VHP and Bajrang Dal in Nuh, about 80 kilometers from the national capital. The march came under firing and heavy stone pelting, and a crowd of about 2,500 people had to take shelter inside a temple. The incident started a series of communal flare-ups. A mosque was torched late on Monday night and its cleric was killed. Over the past couple of days, multiple shops and business establishments were attacked. The internet remains suspended and prohibitory orders are in force in several areas. Delhi authorities have been watching the Gurugram situation closely. Delhi police even issued a traffic advisory this morning.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.